This is a pretty view of some glacial snow-capped mountains. I'm here at Bird Point Wayside. I'm here on Seward Highway, making my way south towards Seward and Kenai Fjords National Park. Anyways, the Seward Highway has a lot of great pullovers and stops for you to get worthwhile sights to see. So this Bird Point Wayside is pretty worthwhile. Look at this. Too bad it's cloudy in the distance there. But anyhow, yeah, this is mile 96 on the Seward Highway, which goes for 127 miles. So this is mile 96, Bird Point Wayside, very worthwhile. This is pretty nice, just too bad about the clouds, and it is so windy and chilly. But regardless, yeah, just making this video. If you do stuff around here, like any hiking or anything, it's a $5 day pass you have to pay for just recreational use. But otherwise, yeah, you could just park and walk right to this little overlook pass area and get the nice views. So it's called Bird Point Wayside. These are all little